I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Have you got a lot of fence posts in your future? Well, I may have just this tool that's going to save your back, shoulders, and neck. This is the Hygos 4-stroke motorized pile driver. It's 38 cc's and is completely motorized. It comes with a convenient carrying case as well as tools. It's got the wrench, it's got the adjustment for the different size fence posts. It does not include the 4-cycle engine oil or fuel. I purchased 4-cycle fuel because I don't like to run regular automotive gasoline in small engines. They run way too hot. Add the oil here. And it has a convenient dipstick already. To add the fuel, open the cap here and add your fuel. Now that we've added the oil and the fuel, we're ready to prime the pump. We're going to push the bulb until we see fuel circulate through the carburetor. You see the fuel circulating through the fuel line. Change the piling socket collar for the appropriate fence post size. Now we're ready to start it. We're going to close the choke. There's a kill switch that was off that kept it from starting. Okay. Then when you're done, the kill switch is right here. Flip that up and you're ready for storage. A word of caution, this plate is made out of stamped aluminum, so it does have some play, so be careful about that. But if you've got a number of fence posts in your future, check out the gasoline pile driver from Hygos. Your shoulders will be glad you did.